Hey everyone, I'm back with another great pork recipe, spicy pork curry with bamboo shoot. For this we'll need 500 grams of pork belly, cooks very quickly. It has rind, fat and meat. Another star ingredient, adds great flavor to this dish. This is bamboo shoot, easily available at any Asian grocery store. I love shallots in my curry, so 1 cup of shallot, finely diced, 2 tablespoons of freshly grated ginger. Ginger and pork is an amazing combination. Nice bold flavors here. And 1 tablespoon of garlic, freshly grated again. And 2 roots of coriander, bashed and diced. 2 medium size of tomato and 12 to 14 Thai red chilies. These are hot variety. It's going to make our curry very spicy. So when you buy bamboo shoot, go for a young, tender bamboo shoot like this. So this is how it looks when you cut it. So just going to cut it in half and thinly slice. It doesn't take too long to cook. It cooks in 5-6 minutes. So it's very easy. See, let's grind our red chilies and tomatoes. So that's the texture we're after. Heat a wide pan or a wok on medium-high flame. So our wok is nice and hot now. We'll add in our pork and render the fat for around 5 minutes on medium-high flame. Slowly let it cook, let it render the fat, and then we'll add rest of the ingredients. See how much fat the pork has rendered? That's flavor. So we now add in the oil. Now add the diced shallots, ginger, coriander root and garlic. Cook uncovered on low flame for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Now we add in our masala. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, ½ tablespoon of cumin powder, and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. This is only for color. Let's add in our tomato and red chilies. Stir it all in together. Mix well. Salt to taste. We'll add ½ cup of water. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. Let's add in our bamboo shoot and cook for final 5 minutes. Our delicious spicy pork curry with bamboo shoot is ready. This is a perfect dish for a cold winter day, so don't forget to try it, and I'll see you next time with another great recipe. Bye-bye.